All right, we're on day 5 to Jenny's countdown to Christmas, so let's open it up. Okay, you guys, so let's open up bag 5. So I just want to say that today at the end of the video, I'm not going to do the amount totals. I just have a lot going on today and I didn't have time to check and see if the hanger from yesterday and the pattern from yesterday were up to do correct amounts. I will correct it if I can find them. If not, I will just update the total with the similar ones that I found. Okay, so day 5, let's see what's inside. It's kind of a smaller bag than the other ones have been. I was right. I love being right. Don't you like being right? So we got some thread. And I have purchased thread, and it was these exact sizes from Missouri Star Quilt Company before. These are 100% cotton for quilting. It's 500 yards on each. I don't remember the pricing though, but I will update that when I find it. I think they're around $3, but I'm not 100% sure. So we have red and white. Perfect for Christmas right now, and the white all the time. I use white a lot for piecing quilts, so yay! Always can use some good thread. If you have this box, what do you think of it so far? Let me know in the comments. And also, let's see what bag number 6 is. We won't skip this part, even though I have a lot going on today. So, bag 6 for tomorrow. It is really hard. And it feels like there's some opening spaces in between all of it. I have no idea on this one. I don't think it's fabric. If it is a notion, I can't think of what it might be. I have hair everywhere. Goodness me. I have no idea on this one. It feels circular. And it's hard, but there are like some open squishy parts. I don't know on this one. So day 6, I'll see you back here tomorrow for unbagging, and hopefully I'll have some updates on the pricing so far. Just so you know, that most of the patterns on the website are around between $5 to $10. I would say that the pattern from yesterday, since it is a smaller wall hanging and pretty basic, would probably be closer to that that $5 range. And the hanger that I found for wall hanging quilts was about $16. So I'm thinking the bag yesterday would probably be close to 20, between 15 and 20. So that would bring the value of the box so far probably up to around $50 to $60. And that's just a ballpark since I couldn't find the exact ones. But I will try to do some more research when I get a few minutes and see if I can give more accurate answer on that. But I'm excited so far. I've loved everything so far. Probably my favorite so far is day 1 with the zippers for those bags, which are adorable. And then of course the wall hanging in that project. Awesome. I can always use thread, so I'm still excited about that. The thread holder, which I found out was actually bobbin thread holder, but either way it works. That was probably my least favorite so far. It'll still come in handy, of course, but obviously project stuff and stuff to actually do quilting things are gonna be a lot more fun, I think, in my opinion. But I'll see you guys here tomorrow, you guys. Bye.